Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a futuristic vision of the Porsche 2026 concept car, a machine that blends heritage, performance, and next-generation design. In this video, you'll explore ultra-realistic visuals of every major part of the car, created using advanced AI image generation prompts. This concept imagines what the future of Porsche could look like: bold, intelligent, and unmistakably iconic. Let's begin with the full exterior design. At first glance, the car feels sculpted by the wind itself. The glossy metallic paint reflects light like liquid glass, while the aerodynamic body lines flow smoothly from front to rear. Every curve has a purpose, not just to look stunning, but to enhance performance and efficiency. This is where art meets engineering. Now focus on the front view. The low and aggressive stance immediately commands attention. The signature Porsche headlights evolve into sharp LED matrix units, giving the car a futuristic gaze. Large air intakes and carbon fiber accents hint at the power hidden beneath the hood, making it clear this car is built to dominate the road. As we move to the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. A continuous LED light bar stretches across the back, emphasizing the wide body and sporty character. The rear diffuser and dual exhaust layout not only improve aerodynamics, but also add a bold racing spirit. It's a view that leaves a lasting impression. From the side profile, you can admire the classic Porsche silhouette, a timeless shape that connects the past to the future. The low roofline, wide rear haunches, and large alloy wheels create a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. It's instantly recognizable, yet completely reimagined for 2026. Let's take a closer look at the details. The headlights reveal intricate LED patterns, designed for both beauty and precision. The massive wheels house carbon ceramic brakes with striking calipers, engineered for extreme performance. Every surface, every texture, feels carefully crafted to deliver realism and luxury at the highest level. Now step inside the interior. The cabin welcomes you into a world of modern luxury. A driver-focused cockpit wraps around you, combining premium leather, carbon fiber, and soft ambient lighting. The atmosphere feels sporty, yet refined, a place where comfort meets cutting-edge technology. At the center, the dashboard and infotainment system come alive. Curved digital displays replace traditional gauges, offering real-time performance data, navigation, and intelligent driving assistance. Touch controls and minimal buttons create a clean, futuristic layout, keeping the focus exactly where it belongs, on the road ahead. Grip the steering wheel, and you'll notice its compact, GT-style design, equipped with smart controls for drive modes and key functions. It feels like the command center of a high-tech machine, giving the driver total control at their fingertips. The sports seats are designed to hold you firmly in place, even at high speeds. Wrapped in premium materials with detailed stitching and carbon fiber shells, they balance comfort with performance, perfect for long drives or intense track sessions. At the heart of this concept lies its powertrain. Imagined as a hybrid or fully electric performance system, the Porsche 2026 delivers instant torque, explosive acceleration, and improved efficiency. It represents Porsche's vision of a future where sustainability and speed go hand in hand. Even the practical side isn't forgotten. With smart storage spaces and a clean, functional layout, this concept proves that a supercar can be both thrilling and usable in everyday life. What makes this journey even more exciting is that these visuals aren't just dreams. Using AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion, creators around the world can bring such futuristic concepts to life, transforming simple prompts into breathtaking, photorealistic imagery. This Porsche 2026 concept is more than just a car. It's a vision of innovation, passion, and the endless possibilities of design and technology working together. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic masterpiece, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe for more concept creations and automotive inspiration. Thank you for watching. Until next time, drive safe, stay inspired, and keep dreaming big.